Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Scott Nelson here, and I am absolutely thrilled just to take a few minutes this morning. I'm going to try to keep this as brief as possible, um, but I just wanted to get with all of you who are thinking about getting started. You've been requesting information about OnPassive and when it's actually going to be going live and what makes OnPassive so powerful, and really most importantly, why are literally thousands, almost 14,000 online marketers all around the globe have joined OnPassive. And the really interesting thing is that it has never been advertised. We're very restrictive as founding members of OnPassive as to what we can do and what we can post. We never had a website, and there has not been a website for OnPassive. And really, the only way over the last 5 or 6 months that anybody even knew about OnPassive was by being privately invited by individuals by word of mouth to watch two videos that were recorded back about 5, 6 months ago by the founder. And basically, it was just real vague amount of information, because you got to remember when Ash and his team were starting the idea of OnPassive. At that particular time, there wasn't even a name that was publicly released. So no website and no name, and you got to wonder, why are thousands of people? I think we're probably seeing close to 1,000 people now joining every week, probably 4 or 5,000. And once again, we haven't even launched. We do have about a month and a half, 2 months ago, a website that is available for the people that are active and paid founding members. And that is a site where we get all of our updates from the leadership of the company and the owner and CEO. And it is really going to be a very exciting time, as I believe the future is truly unlimited with OnPassive. Now, let's just immediately address right up front, I do not work for OnPassive. I am a founding member. I joined because I have been a full-time work from home business entrepreneur for most of the last 45 years. And I have been full-time working for myself from home for about 26 years now. So I've seen companies come and go. I understand the industry. I've owned small companies. I've been CEOs. I have gone around the U.S. and I have spoken and teached and trained people in how to generate income from home. I'm a seven-figure earner over the last 15 years. Really got involved and really had my first big success about 15 years ago. And it has been a marvelous career for me, and the purpose of just in wanting to encourage people that are watching this is to take the step and join OnPassive. Now, you can join right now as a founding member. That opportunity is going to go away probably in the next few days, the next few weeks. Nobody knows for sure, but I kind of sensing by listening to our updates that are done usually on a weekly basis, that we are going to be launching what we call our founders advertising campaign, which is basically going to allow you, if you can get and take immediate action, to participate and actually potentially see people that are registering as founding members. And based on your positioning when you join, obviously there is a good likelihood that you could actually see some people sign up as founders and actually be placed below you so that when we go live with Onpassive, obviously you're going to be getting paid right away, even though you don't know the people and you didn't do anything to recruit them. How this is going to be made possible is because of the exclusive database that Onpassive actually owns. That's right. We work with, I believe it's 4 or 5 of the largest data providers. These are people that give data of names and phone numbers and email addresses of some of the top marketers, online marketers, network marketers, affiliate marketers all around the globe. And this database is in excess, well in excess of, I believe, 4 million right now that we own exclusively with Onpassive. And about 10% of those, about 420,000 people on that list, will very soon, in the coming days ahead, receive an invitation to come to our, what we call our Go Founders website. And there they will be able to register as a founding member and grab their position even before we go into our beta testing with our Onpassive website. So this is a very, very exciting time. And if you've always dreamt of being involved at the very beginning, do not be fooled. I know that we're coming up on about 14,000 founders, but I believe that between founders and members of Onpassive in the coming year or two, we could literally see millions of people globally that will be joining Onpassive. And guess what? Because this is a 100% hands-free opportunity, you are going to be able to take advantage of the massive momentum. Remember, momentum happens after a company is in business, normally anywhere between 6 months and 2 years. And that is when the company just literally explodes in growth. I've seen companies that I have been with that have gone from 2,000 to 20,000 during momentum in a matter of a couple of weeks. So this is going to be such an exciting opportunity and a fantastic online marketing platform that is going to be offered with Onpassive. So I think you can start to get the idea why there are literally thousands of people joining every month as founders, even before Onpassive goes live. So let's just look at a few of the bullet points, and let me try to take this very quickly so I don't keep you long, because I know that most of you are wanting to get involved. It's just a matter of going to the website link that is given to you by the person that shared this little video with you, and you can get signed up right away, at least while there is time. Because once the campaign is ready to go, and that seems like it's just a few days, maybe a few weeks away, today being the 13th of February, 2019, I would be really surprised. I don't know for sure, but I would be really surprised if the campaign will not be running by the 1st of March. That's my own humble opinion. And everybody knows opinions aren't worth anything, so please don't quote me as saying, hey, he told me. No, that's what I think, but I think I'm pretty accurate, okay? So why should you? I mean, if you have a network marketing business that you're promoting right now, maybe you have 2 or 3, or maybe you're involved in a cryptocurrency opportunity, maybe you are an affiliate marketer, maybe you have private label nutritional products, maybe you're selling over on Amazon, maybe you have a skill set that you want to promote yourself as a teacher or a trainer. Maybe you are an affiliate with a company, network marketing, online. Doesn't make any difference. This platform that is being developed in its finishing stages at this point in time will literally solve all of the problems, all of the problems that current online marketers, network marketers, affiliate marketers, and more have. This is a platform that is going to give you and me and all people that are working online or in network marketing or direct selling 100% success rate. It is 100% fully automated. Okay, can you imagine hands-free automated traffic generator? Okay, there are going to be a lot of marketing tools. I can't even tell you because we haven't even seen the finished product yet. But I do know in talking with the owner and leaders just what he and his team are doing behind the curtain right now. Everything is being very much hush hush because believe me, there would be a lot of people out there and programmers online that would love to have a little peek behind the curtain right now to find out what's going on. So can just for a minute, just imagine what's your greatest problem if you're working online. Most of the people that are watching this are online marketers or networkers, right? Is you don't have people that are buying your products that are even getting to your website. That's because you don't have people that you know. You may not have a marketing list like I do. I mean, I have a list of about 5,000 people because I started building it about 15 years ago. And most of you, 99%, don't have a real good warm market. There's really maybe not even such a thing as a warm market. Friends and family usually aren't very good. With Onpassive, everybody wins. And so you can even register anybody in your family, your friends, your neighbors, anybody 18 years and older that lives in the U.S. And around the world can get signed up. And because it's fully automated, that means you just don't have to do much. So everybody's going to be given a Go Founders when you become a founding active paid founder. Before we launch, you'll be given a Go Founders website that will be yours for life. And then, of course, our marketing platform Onpassive will launch here very, very soon. So you will actually have, as part of your monthly membership, you're going to actually have fully targeted, incredibly powerful. It belongs to you. Nobody else will have it. It won't be old traffic. It won't be lead generation companies selling lists like they do right now for thousands of dollars, and they've been sold to 1,000 other people. The data that we get sent through our automated traffic generation platform from our databases. These are exclusive relationships with the largest data companies in the world. We'll send traffic, targeted traffic, not people looking for free vacations or free giveaways and drawings to enter a $1,000 gift certificate. No, these are real people that are working currently in network marketing, direct marketing, online marketing, you name it, that are truly professionals. And the greatest need for any marketer, period, is visitors. So that's also another name for traffic, okay? This system is so powerful that it will recruit and sell for you. That's right, you heard me correctly. Turn it on, pay your monthly membership. We have 4 different levels that you can choose from. 3 of the 4 include traffic daily, not monthly, not quarterly. No, these people will be directed to your website where they can register for free, try it out for 7 days, and if they like it, they can upgrade and become an affiliate for as little as $25. And this is a one-time out-of-pocket because it is a very unique self-perpetuating compensation plan that will earn you. And then as you earn commissions, you will actually progress through a series of 4 3x10 matrices, producing unlimited and fully automated hands-free income for you and your team for the rest of your lives. That's right. You know, this is what is so exciting But if I was just talking about income and I really didn't focus on the actual benefit of the traffic, of course, that's huge. And that is probably the most valuable part of Onpassive and the monthly membership. But now think about marketing tools, okay, videos, autoresponders, unlimited sales pages, artificial intelligence, state of the art, proprietary. If you don't know what proprietary means, it means they're built by our team. That's right, they're built by our engineers, our software developers, the very best in the world. We have, I think, a team of customer service engineers, software people that is nearing over 200 right now. And we haven't even launched Onpassive, but they work all around the globe. They work in Asia, they work in Europe, they work in China, they work in the United States, you name it. We work 24/7 around the clock because we're constantly building and refining these proprietary state-of-the-art marketing tools and platform that's built for you and I, and it uses artificial intelligence that will completely blow you away. But when I looked at this and I talked to Ash, our owner and our CEO of this platform, here's the thing you have to understand. No one has these tools. Nobody ever will have these because we own all of our software and all of our back office. We don't just go out and rent marketing platforms like every other company does. They go out and they buy go into an agreement. They buy a let's say autoresponder that does follow up, and they pay $50,000 to a company. Then they charge you $29 a month for that, and then you get a video software platform that they pay $50,000, and if you want that, that's going to be another $29 a month. Before you know it, you got $100, $200, $300 a month just in paying for copycat marketing tools and advertising platforms. Believe me, I know, I've used them. I paid for them. I have a company right now that I've been with for about a year, and I paid $30 for a autoresponder follow-up system. $30 a month. That's almost $400 a year for one tool. Now keep in mind, with these proprietary marketing tools, these are going to be included in the monthly membership, and you're going to get all of them at that particular level. And as you go to the higher levels that produce much more income potential, you're going to have even more specific and upgraded marketing suites of tools that will be included at each level of membership with Onpassive. Okay, so think about the advantages. Nobody has them, and they're all included in the monthly membership app, depending on what level you want and how many more you need. Okay, and once again, people ask, well, do I need to have a business, or can I earn with Onpassive? Or what if I don't have a business, or I've got 3 different businesses? I sell on Amazon, I have a white label product, I'm in a network marketing business. This is an amazing platform because you can use the tools, the training, and everything to promote any and all online businesses. So if you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, any type of marketing, you can use this for. And new tools will be developed so we can even approach people that want to promote their traditional businesses, maybe a real estate agent or an insurance agent, things like that. So all of these things are available and coming very, very soon. So the final thing is, then the most common question I get, you may say, well, I don't have a business. I'm not a network marketer. I'm not selling anything, but I'd love to be able to have an opportunity to generate income from home by simply telling people about Onpassive. Well, of course, the greatest need for the 98% that's failing in their home-based businesses is exactly what we are offering with Onpassive. When we go live, everybody in any network marketing company, the ones that, that 98, 99% that aren't making any money whatsoever, we're here and we solve all of the problems. And that's really why thousands of people are already joining us as founding members when nobody knows about us yet. I mean, we could go live in 2 or 3 weeks or a month, and we could be at 20 to 30,000 founding members before we even go live to the world. And in talking the other day to some people, I was asking a group of people what they thought based on what they're hearing we could grow to, and they all believe we could see somewhere between 1 and 5 million over the next year or two that will be members of Onpassive. So for those of you that understand what I call first mover's advantage, my goodness gracious, is this exciting. Okay, so yes, to answer that last little bullet point, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. You don't have a business. I have put out a video, and you can certainly get it if you want. I sent it to most of you, but it goes through a little bit about the simple but the most powerful compensation program that I have seen in my almost 45 years of working from home, that is self-perpetuating. That just means that I can start for $25 out of pocket and never have to reach into my wallet again, because I can just let the system work for me and build income, and it will basically promote me into the higher level matrices that will enhance my earnings by 1,000%. So you don't have to worry when you start. If you like what you see, you sign up for free, take a look. If it makes good sense to you when you take a look, you got a 7-day free trial, and then let it earn for you. Plug it in, get yourself active. You can join as many of the matrices as you want. If you want to prepay, I think it's very wise, but you don't have to. Just start for $25 and use the tools. I recommend getting some traffic. If you are not at the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th matrix yet, then we have traffic that will be available that you can purchase. Or better yet, once you reach the 2nd matrix level membership and the 3rd and the 4th, you'll have thousands and thousands of visitors each and every year that are coming to your website and registering, and you're going to get paid on every one that becomes an affiliate. So I just can't tell you how excited I am. I'm 63, almost 63. I'll be 63 in June, and I have been a full-time network marketer for, like I said, 26 years, and I've made millions of dollars. But that's on 2 huge successes. What about the 100 failures that I had over the years? Ones that didn't work out. Most of them went out of business. It wasn't anybody's fault, except the owner couldn't keep the business open, or they were criminals and they took the money and ran. It doesn't matter. But in the ones that I could have succeeded in, had I had something like Onpassive, this is going to change lives. So what I would recommend you do is get back to the person that got you here and get your questions answered. This is a very time-sensitive matter. So do not waste time, because once the founders goes away, when we actually run the campaign for the founders, and then we start beta testing Onpassive and we go live, it's gone. You won't have an opportunity, at least for 6 months, is what Ash says. So this is going to go away. Today, once again, is the 13th of February, 2019, and I think you need to realize that this is an opportunity that I can endorse. There are no guarantees, obviously, in any business, and you never want to put any money into any business until you thoroughly check it out and make your own mind up, do your research, But I think you're going to be thrilled. For those of you that want to take the step to pre-register as a founding member, you need to do that right away. Otherwise, just let me know that you want to be contacted once the actual Onpassive website goes live. Then you can go directly to the website and register for free. Take a look. You have a 7-day free trial, and you can see if it's for you, and then you can upgrade, like I said, for as little as $25. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have a great day.